Hello, folks. Thought I would show you a little bit about this weather that's coming our way. As you can see right here, if you see the little pointer, here's Georgia. Now, this is the infrared east loop of the GOES satellite. And as you see, the area here to the northwest, funneling down in through here, that is the cold air cloud tops. And you got to realize, too, it's going over the snowpack that's up here. This is coming out of the northwest up around Alaska is where it's coming from. And you can see a little bit better here on the water vapor of the eastern GOES satellite. The brown areas and dark areas is dry air, and the blues and whites are the cold cloud tops that are full of moisture. It shows a little bit better in this image here. As you can see, it's coming up and over and out. And if this one here, you can look up in here, you see these swirls here. Those are the polar vortexes that the meteorologists have been talking about. Now let's go to the western side of the image, of the western side of the United States and the planet. And this is the infrared loop again. See here coming off the northwest, coming down towards us over here. See where it's coming from, the ocean up here, up around Alaska, pulls down. Now take note of this here. All this here is going to trail behind this cold air mass. It's going to reinforce it. And if you look right up in here along this top edge, that is Siberia. And that's where they call the Siberian Express coming through. You can see a little bit better on the water vapor map of the western GOES satellite. See it right there? That's one of those polar vortexes coming down. It's going to reinforce this air mass that's pulling down towards the southeastern United States. And if you can see it too, if you look and study the image of the dry air, the dark browns and blacks is the dry air mass, you can see the air is being squeezed here. And that is going to cause some instability. We do know that forecasting the temperature is going to be very difficult, because if the cloud cover stays thick enough, it may be acting as a blanket insulator. So we might not get as cold, but if we have any clear skies, that's going to cause radiational cooling. And that could spell some temperatures in the lower teens to upper single digits. And so that's what we're looking at, and thought I would give you a little bit of a different view from what you may see. We'll talk to you later. So take care and hope you enjoyed this.